Hello students and traders, welcome to another session of the all-round analyst. Okay, this morning we'll just do a quick update, look at the pairs, see how they've been moving, following up from our last analysis where we left off, picking up from there. So on the Euro US dollar, what do we have? On the 1 hour we see that this market was bearish, okay, bearish, pullback, bearish, and then okay, so this is 4 hour. Oh no, my bad. Okay, so bearish pullback, and then we're hoping to see prices come all the way into this zone, which we refined, marked out here. Okay, then we've seen prices on the lower time frame gravitate, tapped into it, pulled back. We thought we were getting the reversal here, but it didn't happen. We saw a deeper push inside, pull back, another one, pull back, another one, pull back. So right now we're looking like this market is struggling back and forth, and this is clear sign of possibility of reversal. A whole lot of back and forth movements. You see all of that movement inside. So what we want to see now to give us confirmation that this market is ready to go bearish. We want to see market break below this level. So I've marked the BMS. We want to see break of this market structure to look to go bearish. Now, if this one goes up and breaks above the zone, then we know that our bearish perspective is invalidated. So we will now be looking for chances to go bullish. Okay, so that's basically it on the Euro US dollar, and because the market is responding to this 4 hour bullish dynamics, I am careful jumping on a trade on the lower time frame. I want all these uncertainties to clear out first. Okay, so for now, nothing much, nothing to say, nothing has changed. We'll leave it like that. We'll move on to the next, and it will be the pound US dollar. All right, the pound US dollar. Wow, I caught this lovely one. Okay, now how did we get this? How did we find this trade? Okay, now last analysis we sent out, we saw price um, daily zone down, coming all the way down here, go down. Sorry, daily zone one swing down. Now that daily zone breaking into 4 hour lower time frame. Saw the market doing this pullback and this. We expected to see prices coming to here, give us some signs of reversal and go down, which we had here to go down, but our target of the daily liquidity was not hit. Rather, we saw price reverse and begin to go up, and at this point it took out, cleared out our zone. So our bearish perspective was upset, and then the market switched bearish, and since then it's been one long bullish stretch. Then there was a pullback here, then this last one came down. We had a zone here, looking for prices to come into this zone, reverse and go up, target being here, and market did just that. You see how prices came into our zone, acted like it was going to break through, but it didn't break through it, and eventually pushed up. So we're able to catch this move here, and looking really good already. Our target was actually here, because we had said there could be a possibility of price coming for one more push, clear out this level, mitigate whatever is left in this region of the zone, and then go bearish. Now market has done that, gone a little bit above our zone here, and now it's going way above our zone, but wait for the candle to close. If it closes above our zone, then we know that okay, our bearish perspective is upset and we'll begin to look for bullish opportunities. But if it doesn't, if it comes back to close within our zone, then we know that we'll still have a daily zone valid. But if on the other hand, if it breaks above, we know that the bearish perspective is upset and we begin to look for bullish setups here. Okay, on this we're already netting in a 1 to 11. Okay, we'll just still hold on to it and see how far it goes. See signs of reversals, we run away. Okay, that's about the pound US dollar. We're bullish on the lower time frame, bearish on the daily. Now on the Australian dollar, US dollar, what does it look like? Let's see. Now, okay. We had this trade in, and we've held on to it. Okay, so you can see that on the 4 hour we are bullish from here. From this point, we're bullish, and then we saw price come into our zone, and we're expecting to see price at that point go all the way up to take out this zone here, or this liquidity here, and that was done at this point. So now we have a new 4-hour zone, which is here. Okay, so we'll look to see prices eventually come all the way down into that zone, and then look to catch another trade. Now off of this zone here, this one, we're able to catch this trade on the 1 hour. I don't remember catching this one. I don't remember now. It's been quite a while. Sometime mid-June. Perhaps we caught it. Perhaps we caught some opportunities here. But off of the 4 hour, it doesn't look like. Well, let's just even go there. But possibly would have caught something here, gone up, and then this is the one we are currently in. We caught this one. I went up for a bit. We were able to break even, save ourselves from potential losses. Then it broke through. Cut off some profit here. Then it came back into the zone, tested it and pushed away, and we got that really nice and clear. Tried out here, see if you catch something here, but on the 1 hour it didn't work out. Okay, so here we are on this long position, already going. I think it's about to 1 to 15 now, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Oh, it's still on 14. Okay, let's see if you can give us 15. All right, let's go on for 15. Let's see how much of it we can take home. Came really close. Let's see. It was like 1 to 14. 14.7. Okay. Let's go for 15 and see. All right, so that's where we are on the Australian dollar US dollar. We look to catch more trading positions on the lower time frame. But for now, let me update this real quick. I'll bring this here, and this is a new 4-hour zone. Okay, and yeah. So along the line, prices will begin to come all the way back into our zone, and then we'll be out of this trade and look for the next trading setup. All right. Next is the NZD USD. All right, what are we doing here? Here, what do we have? We've seen down move, pull back, and the last down move was here. Last down move was here. Off of this zone, we caught this beautiful trade, and sure most of you remember this trade. It was a 1 to 10. It was a 1 to 10 out there, and then like a pullback, we're expecting to see price come into our zone, give us another selling opportunity to go below it, but it just crashed through, and we didn't even get a chance to sell up. Okay, and with that, we had a switching perspective. Prices going bullish. This is our zone here, off of the lower time frame, somewhere here. But we didn't seem to catch anything here. We didn't get clear setups, so we didn't take a trade there. But for whatever it's worth, let's go look at the lower time frame now, see if we can prepare for a rebound. Okay, so this was the zone. There was a zone here. Let's do this. The zone here. That's the zone that brought the break of our zone. Let's see. 1 hour. Okay. So broke that zone and then give us this up move. Comes back here. Okay. See why the zone was even deleted. Because it has metamorphosed over time. Moving to, so you moved here, and then tapped into its liquidity hit, and then moved here, and then it moved here. Tapped into it, didn't go through, then this one crashes through. Now we are bearish on the 1 hour, so this is our 1 hour zone here. Okay, so expect to see prices dance into this zone. From here, give us possibility of reversal, going down, targeting liquidity below here. Money. Alright, so that's basically what we look like, what it looks like on NZD USD. I'd want to see another pullback in here and then look to catch that move. But for now, no trades, we're staying out. Alright. Next is the dollar Swiss. How was that pair fared? No trade here. Interesting. Let's look at the 4 hour. Seem to have lost count of my trades these days. Okay, so this is my last trade here. We'll cut a 1 to 20. Beautiful, beautiful up move. And then we're expected to see price come back into this point to continue bullish, coming into our zone right here. No, I'll be here. And he did that right here, but didn't catch that move. That would have been it was obviously a fundamental announcement, so he didn't give us time to set up. That would have looked something like this if you had caught that move, something like this, and I've gone all the way to 1 to maybe all the 1 to 15, 1 to 14, but we didn't catch that move, so we don't want to fantasize about what we don't have. All right. Okay, and then market crashes here, crashes as protected low. Is it actually here? If you ask me. Wow, let's see. Oh, it's still here. Yellow is still here. So crashes it and then pull back. Protected high is somewhere here. It's actually here, but I like to use this zone. Okay, so I'm gonna borrow this real quick and strike my zone here. Okay, so this is my zone. We're going to take it this way, and then take it this way. All right, so price has come into the zone, and I want to see some respect. Oh, this is 4R. God of mercy and compassion. Thank God I noticed that. Okay. All right, so it's still good. So this wouldn't be our zone anymore. Our zone will now be somewhere here. Bearing in mind the last place from where the down move came was here, and we've seen price come there. Looking to see some push away, so this would have been a trading opportunity for setups, but we didn't because of the zigzaggy nature of this. And then we saw another dip, expecting to see prices stay within it, but price had gone deep into it. So we can now look at our zone from another perspective, and that is why I like to look at this whole region as my zone. So here we are. It's my reversal zone, nicely chosen. Price has come into it. Last up move here, protected low for that up move, break, pull back. If I get a second break here, I'm jumping into this market. If I'd come to catch this market here, this would have been a very good entry. Let me show you guys. Push, break of structure, pull back into this zone here, and from there go down something like this. Okay, I would have been targeting all the way down. Nothing can stop me going all the way down, selling all the way down. Okay, so it would have looked something like this, and yeah, this would have been a trade, but you didn't catch it, so get out. So wait for the next one. I want to see price break about below here, confirmation of continued bullishness, sorry, bearishness, then a pullback, and to enter, then go down. All right. So there we are with the dollar Swiss. Next pair we'll look at real quick is the dollar yen. That is the US dollar Japanese yen, and the yen warriors have been really terrific. Okay, so we caught this trade on Monday. Got this trade on Monday, and it has continued beautifully and gloriously. Okay, giving us near 1 to 5 already. 4.9. Okay, so I'm gonna take a 1 to, let's hope for 1 to 6, or let's say 1.5.5. Okay, because this is a liquidity target up here. Price came nicely into our zone. For those of you who were with me on that session, you remember how we took this. So looking to see prices come all the way, hit our target, hit our liquidity target up here, and from there see pullback, and then we begin to set up for the next trade. Okay. All right. So we're still holding on to this position. The market is fairly bullish, and there's every reason to hold on to it. Next pair is US dollar, Canadian dollar. Don't think I have a trade here. Don't think so. All right, let's see. So this market has gone quite sideways for a while, and maybe that's why we have been really reluctant to trading it. So on the 1 hour, we see that the market down move, then expecting to see price come into it, crashes our zone. So expect prices to stay bullish with our zone somewhere here. And what does it do? Crashes our zone again. And then said, okay, this is our new zone, we're going bearish now. Price comes, crashes our zone. Then we said, okay, this is our new zone, and price comes, and what does it do again? Looks like it's going to reverse and crashes our zone. And then this is our new zone on the 1 hour, and I wanted to see pullback and go in there, but what does it do? It goes all the way, create target hit. Then we have our new zone here. New zone here has not been crashed. So this is our current this is our current down shrink. So this is it. Let's see. It has been crashed though. This is it. And ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to announce to you that that zone was crashed at this point, close above it. Okay, so it's been a whole lot of back and forth on this pair, and with that zone being crashed, this now becomes a zone, because where did the up move come from? Came from somewhere around here, and yes, on the 1 hour we are looking bullish, and you see how price came nicely into our zone, and it's going up, so our target will be up here. Now I actually drew this zone without looking to the right, in all honesty, and see how market just respects that zone at this point. Okay, but for whatever it's what, this market has shown us some unfaithfulness, a whole lot of back and forth, bullish, changing bearish, and then changing bullish, changing bearish. So it has been really, really crazy. So I want to see clear perspective on this. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see. On the 4 hour we have we might still see some more unfaithfulness on the 1 hour, because it doesn't really look clean to me. Now on the 4 hour we see this down move coming from inside here. No, sorry. This zone was crashed at this point, and then we expect to see higher prices with our zone here, and the zone was crashed. Now this down move here is coming from here. That's it. It's coming from here. So there's a likelihood we'll see prices come all the way up, respect this 1 hour bullish perspective, bringing us into this 4 hour zone up here. Okay, and then from there we'll look to see lower prices that will come and clear out this liquidity down below here. Okay, so for now we are bearish on the 4 hour. And then we are bullish on the 1 hour. Interesting, right? Okay, so this is 1 hour. And our 4 hour zone is here. It's my 4 hour zone. Alright. So I expect to see prices go up, respecting the 1 hour perspective, take out our liquidity, come into our 4 hour zone, then from there begin to show some signs of reversal. Off we go, taking out of our liquidity. From there we're good. Okay. Alright guys, keeping it short and simple, that's much you take this morning. It's always a pleasure to have you guys, to do this for you, and share your thoughts, share your perspective. If you agree, say you do. If you don't agree, let's know what you think. Feel free to criticize positively though, and wishing you a beautiful trading day and an amazing trading week. See your trading success. It's FX Kalapandi, and I'm out.